Good morning and warm welcome to my dear children. AVA Education Society's NG Vartak English Medium High School and Junior College welcomes you for the school assembly. Today is 31st July 2020 and day is Friday. Let us begin our assembly with prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes and get ready for school prayer.
यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुता सून्वन्ति देव्यसवै वेदै साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदै गायन्ति यं सामगा ध्यानावसिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यस्यान्तान् विदुसुरासुरगणा देवाय तस्मै नमः। या कुन्देन्दुतुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवै सदा वन्दिता सा मा पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा।
After this beautiful prayer, let us move ahead with thought for the day. Thought for today is: it's easy to stand with the crowd. It takes courage to stand alone. I repeat the thought. It's easy to stand with the crowd. It takes courage to stand alone. Meaning of this thought is: you can always take the easy way out and give up. You can always take the easy way out and give up. But real strength comes when you decide to keep pushing forward no matter what the circumstances are. Amazing fact. Amazing fact for today is: of all the oxygen you breathe, 20% of it is used by your brain. Now, general knowledge question. Are you ready? Okay. The black flag signifies dash. I repeat, the black flag signifies the dash. Options are A. Danger or revolution, B. Peace, C. Protest. Come on, tell me the correct answer. Can you guess? Yes, the correct answer is C. Protest. Now it's time for vocabulary. Are you ready for it? Good. Let's begin.
Atrocious. Atrocious. The word atrocious means something really bad, horrible, terrible, cruel, appalling, offensive. Atrocious has a Latin root called atrox, which means fierce, cruel, or terrible. Some examples of the word atrocious are: the recent rape incidents in Delhi were atrocious, or prisoners are treated in an atrocious manner sometimes in prisons. Atrocious is also used in day-to-day life to talk about some common wrongdoing and you want to exaggerate it. For example, his table manners were atrocious. or her dress sense is so atrocious, or his grammar is atrocious. So the next time you hear of a horrific act on the news, remember to remark and say that this is an atrocious.
After vocabulary, here is a small informative video for you. Hope you will enjoy it. Now, let us meditate. Please sit properly, fold your legs and sit properly. Keep your both the hands on your lap. Close your eyes. Breathe in and breathe out and try to meditate on the music which will be played now. Okay, now slowly open your eyes, rub your hands against each other. With very light hand, press your eyes with your palm. Now slowly open your eyes. That's all for today's assembly. Thank you and have a nice day.